Bodyweight exercises are gaining ground in the fitness world due to the practicality and simplicity of getting in shape using your own body weight. Planks are one form of bodyweight exercises that will never go out of fashion. Planks are one of the most effective exercises you can do. Why? Because they require a small time investment on your part and offer the chance to achieve substantial results in a relatively short span of time. Your core muscles are a series of muscles in your midsection and are used in most forms of movement. Though they aren't housed in your arms or legs, your core muscles can help transfer force from one limb to another or are used in addition to muscles in your arms or legs to increase their effectiveness. As such, a strong core will make a big improvement on your ability to move and exercise further. Also, they are great for helping other muscles in your midsection such as your abdominal muscles. Your abdominal muscles are important for supporting your back and spinal column, and as such are important aids in preventing injuries. By holding yourself in the position for a planking exercise, you'll notice that your biceps, neck, and shoulder muscles are also being tested and strained. When planking, you are holding yourself up through your arms and biceps, and so by holding a planking position, your arm muscles are being toned and developed, making planking a great alternative exercise to other forms of bicep developing exercises. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allow you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. Also, making it a daily 10 to 1 minute home exercise before or after work will not only provide an enhanced metabolic rate, but it will also ensure that metabolic rate remains high all day long. Planking exercises have a great impact and improvement on your posture. This is great news as a strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. A good posture will ensure your back or spine is in the correct position, and so you will suffer less back pain. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, for this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. How to hold a plank position. Get into push-up position on the floor. Now bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Keep your torso straight and rigid and your body in a straight line from ears to toes with no sagging or bending. Your head is relaxed and you should be looking at the floor. Hold the position for as long as you can. Remember to breathe. Inhale and exhale slowly and steadily. How to improve your plank time gradually. Start with the easier variation if needed. You can start with a bent knee plank if you can't perform a regular plank yet. If you can hold a plank for more than 2 minutes with ease, you can move on to these tougher variations. Practice every day. Space your planking exercise throughout the day and do 3 to 4 times every day. Try to hold the position 10 seconds longer each time.